Big ass chicken nuggets, y'all. What's up with it, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you once again. And today we got something delicious. Everybody love them a good old-fashioned chicken nugget. So we're going to make us some chicken nuggets today. We're going to grind our meat. We're going to mince our meat. We're going to add the seasonings to it. We're going to make the nuggets. We're going to have us some delicious chicken nuggets, baby. And this is also a recipe if you want to save them for later, if you want to throw them in the freezer, come back to them, cook them another day. This is a freezer-friendly dish. Homemade, from scratch, chicken nuggets. Yeah.
So let's go ahead and start off. We got two chicken breasts, two whole chicken breasts. And we're just gonna wash them, pat them dry, dice them up, just like this right here. Let's go ahead and get them in our mixer, our blender, food processor, get it all in there. We're gonna add some Lowry seasoning salt. Just get it all in there. There we go. Get that Lowry's in there. We got some chicken bouillon powder. Get that in there. We got some paprika. Let's get that in there. And we got some cayenne pepper. Yeah. And we got some onion powder. We got some garlic powder. Let's get it all in there. We got some black pepper. We're going to pop our lid on it. There we go. Or however your blender or your mixer is, just it's time to blend them up. Just like this right here. So we're just going to mince our meat up. Just mince it up, mince it up, mince it up. Now let's go ahead and add some cornstarch. We're going to add us some water. This is going to bind it. Put your lid back on there. Grind it up again, baby. There it is, right there. Make sure you get your blade out of there before you stick your hand in there. You don't want to stick your hand in there with your blade still in there. All right, so now take it. Just use your hand and make sure everything is mixed in. As you probably seen, there's still a little flour that got stuck on the edges. So just mix it in with your hand. And this is what we're working with right here. That's our chicken. All right, get you a spoon with some water. There we go. We're using a tablespoon. And the water helps it not to stick so much. So we're going to make us a little sample. There's our sample right there. So let's go ahead and get it in the pan. We're going to fully cook it. And we're doing this to make sure we have our right amount of seasoning in there. Because once you pat them up and fry them up, you can't change it. So after that, make sure it's all right. And it is. So we're going to start making our nuggets. Get a tablespoon. There we go. Just shape your nuggets as you see here. And don't be like me. I made some extremely big nuggets. I wasn't measuring right. I would say use a 1 ounce ladle or 1 ounce spoon, tablespoon, but just make sure it's even because I got some huge nuggets right here. I didn't really realize that till afterwards. Look at them. Some big old nuggets right there. But they delicious though. They full of flavor. And they are delicious, I promise you. All right, so now it's time to dredge them. We had them in the freezer for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna hit it with the flour first. And you put them in the freezer to get them stiff, easier to work with. So we're gonna hit it with the flour. We're gonna hit it with the milk and egg mixture. Just get it all coated up. Make sure it's covered. So do what you gotta do to cover it up, baby. Just as you see here. There we go. Let's get it. There we go. We got it ready. Just let the excess drip off. Get it in your panko breadcrumbs. And there it is. Cover them up. Cover them up. Just make sure they're completely coated in that panko. And we did season our panko. And I'll have all the ingredients and all the measurements in the description. So we got our panko seasoned, we got our flour, and we got our egg and milk mixture. And there's our nugget right there. Like I say, those are some big old nuggets. I'm from Texas, baby, so I guess I just made some big nuggets, not even knowing it. Everything big in Texas, yeah. All right, so we just finishing off the rest of them. Let me move it, let you see it a little bit better. There we go. And like I said, we're just going to completely cover our nugget, our gigantic nugget that is. But like I say, that's okay. That is okay. So now we got it. There it is. We're gonna do it one more time. Finished up this last one here. There we go. Just make sure it's well coated. There you go. There it is. Those are our gigantic nuggets. I didn't mean to make them that big, but this is what we got. So that's what we're working with. All right, and we have our oven preheated to 425. So let's get them in there, 425 for about 30 minutes. And there it is right there. Crispy, delicious, big ass nuggets.
All right, my family, that is it. That is all. We just made us some big ass chicken nuggets, y'all. I did not mean to make them this big. I portioned them out wrong, but they still delicious though. They still delicious. Some big ass nuggets. But hey, I'm from Texas, baby. Everything big in Texas. Now let's taste them and see what they taste like. They got the size on them, what they taste like. Got some honey mustard I made for my pigs in a blanket video. If you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check that pigs in a blanket video out. I'll leave that at the end. All right, my family, that was delicious. You know what time it is. If you're new to this channel, first time being here, think about hitting the subscribe button. If you've been rocking with me, if you're always here watching with me, throw me a comment at the bottom. Hit the like button. Share it with your people. Make sure them notification bells on so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, baby.